Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable biometric login on Robinhood. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone and sign in using your username and password. Once you are logged in, look for the profile icon and tap it. Now, tap the menu button. From here, go to the setting and privacy. This section holds your login option and safety features. Inside security and privacy, look for the option that called create passkey or biometric login. Robinhood uses a feature called passkey, which lets you sign in using your face ID or touch ID instead of passcode. Tap create passkey. Your iPhone will now confirm your identity using your face ID or touch ID. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Once confirmed, the app will save your biometric login. Now, the next time you open the Robinhood, you will see the option to sign in using your face ID or touch ID instead of typing your password. If you don't see the biometric option in the app, here's how to fix it. Open the setting app on your phone. In the search bar, type PayPal or Robinhood. In the search bar, type Robinhood and make sure face ID or passcode or touch ID or passcode is allowed for the app. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.